we solved 3 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 2 times 4 minus 5. Okay, let's solve this step by step. 3 to the power of 1. 3 to the power of 1 equals 1, right? But this is wrong. Any number raised to the power of 1 is the number itself. So 3 to the power of 1 equals 3, not 1. So 3 plus 2 squared times 4 minus 5. Now 3 plus, 2. Here is 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4 and times 4 minus 5. Now multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiply first. So 3 plus 4 times 4 equals 16 minus 5. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. So 3 plus 16 equals 18 minus 5. Right? Now 18 minus 5 equals 13.